everybody, it's Dave. Welcome back to the channel. Got another film camera. This one's a Kodak Ektar H 35. This one has a unique take on everything. It's a half frame camera. So when you're using 35mm film, it's going to expose half the frame before you advance it. Just a word of warning, it seems like there's an upcharge for developers for developing this type of film, or if I'm getting it wrong, it might be for printing the photos themselves, because you're going to try and line up two half frames onto one standard image like a 4x6. I have film in here already, so I'm kind of ready to go out and explore. Not a lot of controls on it. It's got an exposure button, your lock button, a little battery compartment down there, rewind button over here, and an advanced film button on the bottom corner.